Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to sell digital products on Etsy. Firstly, head to the Etsy website and sign into your account. Go to the upper right corner and click Shop Manager. On the left sidebar, click Listings to manage your products. Now click Add a new listing button on the top right, then choose Digital Files under Listing Type. Under Who Made It, select I did and specify if AI assistance was used. Now click Add File or drag and drop the files. You can upload up to 5 files, each up to 20 megabytes with a total limit of 100 megabytes. Supported file formats include PDF, JPG, PNG, ZIP, MP3, TXT or STL and more. Now you need to complete listing details as photos or videos, title and description, tags, then attributes. Now set your pricing. Research similar listings and common ranges between $5 to $10. Niche items like ebooks, sewing patterns or software can go higher. Now price to cover Etsy fees and maintain profit. Now in the settings section of the listing page, select Auto Renew to keep your listing live after each sale. Then click Publish or Save as Draft to review before making it live. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.